And nobody should have their hands in my hair anyways. That's one thing about me. Hair is off limits to the world. Hey, what's up everybody? So I am back once again with another video, and I am going to be talking about Melanin hair care products. Mainly going to be hitting on the shampoo, but I also do have the leave-in conditioner, and I also do have the multi-use pure oil blend. As you can see from the conditioner, I have used a decent amount of this product. I've used the shampoo and the conditioner 3 times, and I've been using the oil pretty much every other day. So I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys how I feel about it. Is it good? Is it bad? I did record myself the very first time that I used these products. I know I definitely have videos of the shampoo, just so you can get my absolute first impression on the products. And then for the rest of that, I'm just gonna give you the rundown. So, yeah. Feel like one of the crew. Feel like one of the crew. Okay. So, detangled and everything, we're good. Let's shake it up real quick. Oh, Whitney, shut up. Okay, what am I smelling? Tea tree. All right, so let's see. Oh, look at that. It is thickly. Oh yeah. Okay, just gonna go down my scalp. I don't know if I got any on my scalp. I can't feel it. It's there. Go sideways, sideways, and then my edges. Okay. Is it lathering? Yes, I like a lather in a shampoo. So far there's no tingling sensation. I thought there would be a slight tingling sensation because of the tea tree, but I might feel it once I rinse out the shampoo. And I always shampoo my hair twice. So, we'll see. But so far it's very smooth. I don't feel like it's drying out my hair yet. I'm enjoying this. I'm hoping it don't dry my hair out. Okay. Oh fuck, I didn't know that was gonna come out that way. Oh, they got it clean. Oh wow. My hair is squeaky, or this part of my hair is squeaky clean. I don't know if I want to do the length of my hair. It might tangle it up too. Wait a minute, hold on, that stuff was kind of soft. We're gonna keep going. We are going to keep going. We're gonna do it again. Going to do it again. So get it wet. No. Whatever. Don't splash water. Okay. First impressions of my hair is, or my scalp is very, very squeaky clean. And I think I got all that product buildup I had back here. Yeah, most of it. I'm gonna do it again because I always shampoo my hair twice. Oh, it feels so nice. It does have a cooling sensation to it, which is pretty... does it really? I think I'm tripping. I'm not used to turning off the water. Right, so... I'm just gonna put a little bit on that. Maybe that'll clear up that spot. Yeah. It can't hurt. Okay, so I am convinced that this is going to be the most cleansing shampoo that I own. So starting off, I just want to say, for any person out there who does hair on YouTube and you make videos in the shower, I commend you, because all of the water that I got on my floor making that short portion of the video was enough to drive me insane. Like, my floor was sopping wet, my rug was wet, I can't stand my rug being wet. It was very, very annoying, and the OCD just kicked in hard, very, very hard. So again, I commend anybody who does hair on YouTube and they're constantly doing shower scenes, because y'all have it down pat and I can't do it. But anyways, starting with the shampoo, I mainly smell tea tree. I mainly get tea tree when I smell this, which smells really, really good. It's very clean smell to me. I love this stuff. This freaked me out when I first used it because I thought it was a clarifying shampoo because of how much or how well it cleaned my hair. So when I first put it on, you know, I always shampoo twice. And after I did my second shampooing, I went like this and my hands literally got stuck. Like I could not slide my hands down my hair, which is a good thing, but I'm used to my hair getting very, very tangled when I use conditioner or shampoos that clean my hair in that matter. So I just knew that my hair was going to be completely matted because I have a lot of breakage towards the roots, and once I start shampooing, it just all tangles up. And like I said, I have used these products 3 times now. I just used the shampoo again yesterday. Did the exact same technique. And this time I kind of, you know, tested the limits and I really, really, really got in there. Didn't tangle pretty much at all. I did have a couple tangles, but not that much. But weirdly enough, once you rinse this out and your hair is underwater for like a couple minutes, your hair feels soft. I don't know how that works, but this shampoo, it's almost like it's a moisturizing shampoo, even though it doesn't say moisturizing. Maybe that's what she meant when she said it's a reviving shampoo. It does cleanse your hair really well. I love the smell, and there is a little bit of a tingle because of the products that are in there. There's a little bit of tea tree, there's some peppermint. This was the easiest shampooing I have had ever with a shampoo product. Now, we're gonna talk about the leave-in conditioner. It does say that it is a multi-use softening leave-in conditioner, which I did test that. The smell of this is also amazing. This to me smells like gum. Like, is it peppermint? Well, it's gotta be peppermint. I get the smells peppermint and wintergreen mixed up sometimes. It smells, honestly, it smells like wintergreen. It smells like wintergreen gum. Or is it peppermint gum that I don't know which one it smells like. There's peppermint in here, so I'm guessing the scent I'm thinking about is peppermint. Anyways, I like this. I really like this conditioner. Now, here's the one issue that I have with this conditioner. I tried to use this as my very first or my initial detangling product for my detangling process. I'm all over the place. And I did not like this. This to me does not work on my hair. This product does not work well on my hair as my initial detangling product. But somehow, when I follow this product with this works amazingly. I don't know how, I don't know why, but it could be because of all of the oils that are in the shampoo and the conditioner. Backpedaling to the shampoo really quick because I really love this product. Once I rinse this out, your hair does feel like it's clean, but you also feel like you have it still feels like there are some oils on your hair. This does not rip the natural oils out of your hair whatsoever. And I think since it doesn't mess up or take out the natural oils in your hair, putting this on afterwards on clean hair with cuticles that are fully open, I think this really, really is why it works that well. I'm all over the place, that's horrible. It works, but I have other conditioners that do better than this. Now, that's just my initial detangling product. Like I said, I can use this before I shampoo, and the slip is okay. The slip is amazing for some weird reason after I shampoo. It's like magic. I don't understand it. But also did use this as a leave-in, or I've been using this as an actual leave-in for the last 3 hair washes that I've had, I guess. So I did put this in my hair, and then I put my heat protectant on, and then I blow up my hair using my Rev Air blow dryer. And my hair felt super soft. I love products that linger. I love a lingering smell in my hair. So for the most part, I keep my hair in protective styles. Like right now, I have my hair in just a ponytail with a series of ponytail holders on it. Just so I can have my hair out of the way, it's protected, it's not going everywhere, blah, blah, blah. When I take my hair down and smell it, I can still smell the conditioner days afterwards, and I just love that. It has, to me, on my hair, this is all about me right now, as it should be, That was very vain. Never say that again in public. When I take my hair down, after like, I don't know, a few days or so, it still lingers, and I love that. Pairs well with the shampoo. It's a very nice duo. I love that. Now, the oil. So I really like the oil. Again, it has another natural smell. I can't, honestly, when I first smelled this, I was not a fan of this smell. It doesn't smell bad. It's just, I don't know. It doesn't smell bad, but with how good these smell, I wish this smelled a little bit better. I'll just say that. But this smell does not linger. Oh, I can't smell my hair. I'll take my hair down a little bit and smell it, but this product does not, or the smell of this doesn't linger. It is, well, it's oil. So it seals in moisture. There's not really much to say about the oil. It's oily, but not over oily. It's not like a greasy feel. It does absorb well into the skin. Normally when I use other brands of oils, so I normally always use either jojoba oil, argan oil, sometimes black castor oil, which I'm about to start using that again because it's getting cooler. Protect your ends and your edges like I'm doing now. I always have to wash my hands a couple of times to make sure I actually get that oil off because it's like it stays there. Now when I use this, I honestly don't even wash my hands after I use that. I will rub my hands on my elbows and just let it transfer, and then after like a couple minutes, it doesn't feel like I have oil on my hands at all. So very good product. That's a rundown of all of those basically. As of right now, this is out of stock. The entire line is out of stock, and you can find that on Ulta, and you can also find it on her website, which I believe is melaninhaircare.com, but I will put that in the description box. But anyways, when it comes to the shampoo and the conditioner, there are no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, no mineral oils, why would I even try to pronounce this word? No phthalates. That's how it's spelled, so no phthalates and no formaldehydes. Wow, you can't see it because it's a clear bottle. Can you see it because it's a clear bottle? No. You can see it on this bottle though. So both the shampoo and the conditioner have pretty much the same things written on the side as far as like what is not in the bottle. When it comes to the oil has no silicones, no mineral oil, no sulfates, no parabens, and no phthalates. I feel like I have a legit lisp when I try to pronounce that word. And anyways, that is one thing that really drew me to these products, is the fact that there's no silicones. I didn't care about the other products I didn't care about the other ingredients because I don't know what those mean, but I know that silicones on my hair are no-go. And that's pretty much it on the rundown. I love them. I especially love the shampoo. I'm definitely gonna keep that in stock. I'm gonna keep the conditioner in stock and probably the oil. I really dig the oil. Now, for the 3 of these, I do believe it was $60, and I did get mine from Ulta. And the only reason why I got mine from Ulta is because I'm very impatient, and I did not know how long it was going to take for the products to be shipped out if I bought them from the actual Melanin Hair Care website. The results that I get are just amazing. Like, my hair is shiny. Let me see. My hair smells so good, y'all. Y'all don't even understand. I'll just throw it back and just do this one. So it makes my hair very, very shiny. I did put a little bit of oil. I wasn't going to put any oil on it because I just wanted you to see how much of a shine I get just with a conditioner, which is a good amount of shine. I'm blabbing right now, don't mind me. But it makes my hair very moisturized. I can still actually feel that oil in my hair, but I do go ham when it comes to my oils. Normally you wouldn't have this oily feel, but it does feel oily, but it doesn't feel too oily. Even though I did put a lot of oils on, it doesn't feel overly oily. I love it. So that's all. Hopefully I didn't blab on too much. Like I said, I love these products. Go try them out. And I'll leave everything down in the description bar that I may have missed because I didn't script this out like I should have. So I'm pretty sure there's a lot. If you stayed this long, thank you very much. I do appreciate it. And yeah, comment down below. Let me know what I can do differently. That's it. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.